Hi everyone, this is HunyahTravels Pageant Coaching, and today I'm unboxing Miss Revolutionary Pageant Ambassador 2025 package from Revolutionary Pageant. I'd like to thank Tisha and Rebecca, so thank you. First is this huge box. I'd like to thank Revolutionary Pageant for this huge box that I have. Now let's see what's in here. So as you can see, it's like this. Amazing. And it says here, congratulations Hunyah, Miss Revolutionary Ambassador. So thank you. This is how it looks. So this is what it says. Congrats Hunyah, Miss Revolutionary Ambassador. So thank you. So now let's see what's in here. So this is the sash. So wow, this is amazing. So this is my Revolutionary sash. Wow, this is nice. Wow, this is pretty heavy. So this is good. Be the Change tote bag, so thank you. This is a whole bunch of jewelry, so thank you. Now the crown. So this is the crown and it's really pretty. So this is amazing. So thank you Tisha, thank you Rebecca. This is a crown, it's really amazing. So I'd like to say thank you Tisha, thank you Rebecca. I have this. I think this is a lot of beauty supplies. And then there is this is Be the Change and all these things, so that is amazing. I have this, and then I have this. This is amazing. A lot of stationery and beauty products about mental health, so that's amazing. So there's a hanger. So this is pretty cute. This is really nice. So I see a hanger in here. I see a keychain. So this is also really cute as well. And there's a t-shirt in here as well, and this is amazing. There's another tote bag. This is also amazing. This is my Revolutionary sash and crown, so I'd like to thank Rebecca and Tisha for this amazing platform, and for everyone in there. I can't wait to start doing things in my reign as Miss Revolutionary Ambassador 2025. Thank you.